Hello everyone. I hope you have by now been able to memorize all the words in the previous lessons. Let us start today's lesson. Our words for the day are anomaly, antipathy, antithetical, apathy, and appease. Starting with anomaly. Anomaly is a noun. It means an exception or something unusual. मतलब ऐसा normally नहीं होता. Got it? Go ahead, pat your back. So, anomaly ऐसा normally नहीं होता. Example sentence. Her B grade is an anomaly as she always secures A's. So, normally उसके grades A आते थे, तो B आना तो anomaly हुई. ऐसा normally नहीं होता था. Our next word is antipathy, which is a noun. It means strong dislike or hatred. Now, we see anti as a prefix here, which means against. Also, the root word here is pathos, which is feelings. So, now onwards, if you see sympathy, apathy, pathetic, etc., you will know instantly that the word has to do something with feelings. Good. Now, combine the two. Anti plus pathos. And we have against and feelings. Let us recall the meaning. Strong dislike or hatred. I'm sure you will never forget it now. Example sentence. There has always been strong antipathy between the two groups. An extra hint here. आप इसको anti और पत्थर से भी याद रख सकते हो. Our next word is antithetical, which is an adjective. Do note that words ending with al or cal suffixes are mostly adjectives. Antithetical means directly opposite or opposed. Now, anti से opposed वाली meaning आएगी, ये तो आप समझ ही चुके हो. Further, याद रखने के लिए इसमें thesis भी है. So, आपकी thesis या आपकी theory दोनों से याद रख सकते हैं. Theory के opposite, anti to your theory. Easy? Example sentence. Man is constantly choosing between the antithetical forces of good and evil. Next, apathy, which is a noun. It means lack of feeling or emotion. We do know that prefixes a and an are used to create either absence or negativity. Also, with antipathy, we had gathered the meaning of the root word pathos, feelings. See how easy it becomes now? A for lack and absence, pathy for feeling. Got it? Excellent. Example sentence. People have shown surprising apathy towards these important social problems. Finally, appease. The word appease is a verb and it means to pacify or to satisfy, especially an appetite or need. This one perhaps is the easiest to memorize. आओ आपको please करके appease कर दूं. For example, they made sacrifices to appease the gods. As in, लोगों ने भगवान को please करने के लिए, मनाने के लिए या appease करने के लिए sacrifices दी. Simple? Here's another example sentence for you. They appeased the dictator by accepting his demands. Or, one burger was not enough to appease the wrestler's hunger. Let us take a quick recap now. Anomaly, ऐसा normally नहीं होता. Antipathy, Anti, opposite, pathy, feelings. Antithetical. Anti plus theory or thesis. Apathy. A as in lack of and pathy as in feelings. And appease. आओ आपको please कर दूं. Hope your hunger for good words is never appeased. It would be antithetical to my purpose of teaching you. Ta-da!